and it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. So what's unusual about that? Welcome back to Garage K. Still working on this rear axle. Next up, brake lines. To seal up these backing plates, I'll be using the same sealer that I used on the diff center. Okay, I got the back plates on, a little bit of silicone. Also got the brake lines on. I ended up using the original bolts or screws. I hate that, but I couldn't figure out how to get the rivsets to go in, so I don't have any M5s. I've only got M6s and they're too long to go into that area, so we'll just leave it the way it is. I can always change that later. Need to tap this tab back down again. There we go. Let's have a quick talk about the wheel cylinders. So this one has got one entry and a bleed nipple there, and the other one just has two entry points. And the reason for that is because coming from the front of the car, from the master cylinder, there's actually only one line. Then it comes into this one, and then feeds out to the other side, possibly in the other actual order. It comes in this one and comes out of that one to the other side. So when you bleed the brakes, you only have to bleed it on the, let me see, passenger side. Just a tidbit. Get these cylinders in. So they need to be done to 23 Newton meters, which I already have this set to. Done. And this will get set to tight. That's tight. So one wheel cylinder's in. Sweet, other side. Pull the plugs out. That's tight too. Just double check this one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Happy with that. It can move around as I need it to. Torque these to spec. Done. Parts still remaining. We've got these pins, a couple of springs, more springs, two of these clips, more springs, two bolts that I don't know why I ordered, that thing, two of those, sorry, four of those things, more springs, and also brake pads. I feel like I haven't been out here in about 3 weeks. Like, I've still got the diff sitting there. Unfinished, haven't put the brakes on, haven't put the leafs on. The car's still jacked up. Yeah, I've just been trying to edit all these videos to clear up space on my phone. Yeah. Alright, it's time to put these leaf springs back on. Now, which one's forward? That's forward, that's back. So I don't think they're left to right specific. So it's just going to be a matter of getting it on. Let's get it on. Like that. Now this is still loose. I think I'll leave it that way until it's in, because I don't want to accidentally sort of attach this on some kind of weird ass angle. It's not going anywhere like that, so it should be good. Alright, those are on. Alright, I'm breathing a little heavy because I just carried that and it's pretty heavy. It's actually probably not that heavy. I'm just out of breath and unfit. So yeah, shit. Now I got to try and lift it up underneath the truck. Now I've got to try and get this contraption into here. This is supposed to be on the other side. Methinks. It goes in this way. How bizarre, that's had metal rubbing on it. There is no metal here. Very weird. What else is weird is I've got 3 bolts here and only two nuts. 3 bolts. It's a bit weird. That one's going nice and easy. Nice and easy. That one doesn't go on at all. So we're going to abandon that one, I think. And cut it here. Same for the other side. Right, got a brake cable which goes in. I hope I haven't got it on the wrong side. I don't, it's here. Goes in here. like so. There we go. Now you need to go on to, where do you go? I thought you went under here. You do. There we are. Just this one isn't. This one isn't threaded? Oh shit. Both sides are threaded, just this side is rusty, so it needs just a going over. Very rusty, apparently. Here's me tapping again. Here I go killing again. That's a 10. Well, let's go to the other side. Okay, so I've tightened this up and just run those in. I haven't torqued them to spec yet. They're just in. Just so the top of the bolt is showing through, so it's not going to go anywhere. That's done up. That's done up. So I could actually lower it now if I wanted to. Oh shit. That's a worry. Okay, I just discovered this. It looks like, you see the drive shaft through there? Possibly my calculations are incorrect, or maybe it's just not on straight, or whatever. Something's happened where the diff is actually further forward than it should be, and that means the drive shaft is now no longer going to fit, and it's out by a fucking long way. Maybe I need to get the leaf springs loose, and then not do them up until the drive shaft is in. Maybe that's the trick, because this is not correct. Right, let's loosen this off. Again, I wonder if the DA52 center is longer than that of a DB52. I never checked that. Probably something I should have checked. I don't see that ever fitting. This is a nightmare. This is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen at all. Look at the size difference. And it looks like it's going to need modifying straight out of the box. Okay. Well, the short answer is I did all of this work for nothing. And the reason for that is that the drive shaft doesn't bolt up to that flange because the bolt holes are in the wrong spots. It would seem that the flange on the carry truck diff is different, and I didn't notice. Because why would it be? Why would they make? I'm going to point to it. This is smaller on the carry truck four-wheel drive. So this drive shaft will not bolt to it. So maybe this is longer too. I don't know. I'm going to have to check it. But this is not good. I've managed to get it to the point where it would bolt up, but I'm so much further back than standard that I don't think the handbrake cables will reach anymore. It sort of goes horizontally along the car. If I go diagonally, that might give me more length. So handbrake cables might not be that huge a deal, but this center drive shaft not bolting on is a deal breaker. I've done all this for nothing. I might shit, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Fuck. That is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you enjoyed the show, leave a comment, let me know about it. If you'd like to support the channel, head on over to the Garage K Facebook page and click the Shop Now tab. You can pick up one of my limited edition handmade key rings. Or sign my door with spray paint. Thanks for the support. See you in the next one. Later.